Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left side and pick this button to open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we have the location tag option with short information from the device that this tag photos and videos with location information. By using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on easily as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to remember to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.